There he is, lying down on the ice and snow. Dammy the wonder dog. I don't know how he does it. It must be that coat that he has. Birds are singing in the trees. Crows are cawing. Has spring arrived? I don't think so. Icicles all around the edge of the roof. Some of them quite big, quite long. Now if you were a betting man, where would the next water drop fall from on those melting icicles? Would you know? If you did know where the next drop of water was coming from, you'd make a fortune on the stock market. Everything just seems to be random, doesn't it? Sinking into the snow. Is that one going to drop? No, I think something else dropped before it. This is perhaps the first sign of spring that we get. When the trees begin to suck up water out of the ground and the snow disappears from round about the base of the tree. You can see over here as well, these little trees, fir trees. It's just so bright, can't see the green. If you look down there, that chair, a good 50 centimetres off the ground, 50, 60 centimetres, and it's still covered in snow. Pots still got water in them and frozen, but look at this. A leaf. That's from that Pohjon Tähti, or the Northern Star, or Northern Giant blackcurrant. It's beginning to put out some leaves. Is it crazy or what? Here he comes. Go on! Let's go down there. You're waving your tail like a flag, shaking your head. Come on! Let's go down. Down here. Woo! Jumping up. Do you think the weather's getting better? Hey, give me your opinion. What do you think? Don't go into the shade. Come this way. Stupid dog. Asking you for advice, and what do? You just walk away. That's my water bucket. You can see it was absolutely filled with ice from top to bottom. It's a wonder it didn't break. Now the water's just dripping off the roof. There, forming a little reverse icicle there. But it's still pretty cold here. That there is the compost heap. I think it must be generating some heat, because that snow looks rather misshapen there. And one side is completely bare. I suppose that's where the sun is shining. My fork, I left it out. It's stuck in the ground there. Bad gardener leaving things out. That's the other little compost bin there. And round the sides where the sun has been shining, it looks like it's melting away. Not so much snow on the roof now. That there, I see that's a good 50 centimetres. More icicles coming off the roof. There we go. A spear. All along here. But you can see by the side of the house, really sort of walls and surfaces, snow melts away from there the quickest. That was my mason beehives there. Oh, hang on. I think there might be perhaps 2 in there, and down here there's absolutely nothing. Or 4, perhaps 4 altogether. And there again you can see the effect of these big trees just sucking moisture out of the ground. The snow disappears from underneath them. That one's just beginning. It's got a little circle there. This is one of my apple trees that I planted 3 years ago. I tried to pull this up out of the ground, but it's stuck in there like anything. This is about 80 centimetres, so I should imagine there's about 40 centimetres of snow still there. You see that? Man in a paraglider. Oh, he's gone away now. Or is he going to come back? Let's see what he's doing. Or is he going to fall? He's going away there. I'll still get him later on. And there we have evidence that the hares and rabbits have been around here. Some little raisins have dropped there on the ground as presents. But you can see they've been eating the bark off these water shoots that I cut down. Really been having a good time. Look at that, that's almost completely bare. How can I get a better view of that? It's completely stripped. You can't see it from there. Stripped all the way down to turn it over. So, it's better to get these ones that I've cut down than actually go for the tree itself, which is dangerous. Been having a rare old time eating these. There again you can see that effect. You have some dark object in the ground and the snow will begin to melt away round about it. Same with that chair. I should say that's 50-60 centimetres deep still, the snow. And if you look over here at the African keyhole garden, then round about the compost heap of the back area, well, there's a ridge. It's like some sort of, I don't know, donut shaped. We're putting some bird seed out there for the birds, looking at them in the morning. But it's a glorious day. We're going down to Helsinki today to a housewarming. Just thought you should see what it's like here in the garden. it'll be quite some time before we can get planting anything out there. So that's it. So that's about it from me, from snowy Finland. Might be another month before this goes away. Enjoy the weather wherever you are, and bye for now.